So I've got this storage container here, which is great. It was pretty easy to set up. It took me a while. I just watched TV with my wife as I set it up, but I'm showing you the wrong end. Let me turn it around. It's pretty lightweight, so that's not a problem. It's easy to move, and I don't know if you can tell, there's dripping water. It recently snowed, and that's why I want this thing. Is I have a bunch of stuff outside that has really just been kind of falling apart because I haven't had a place to put it. But with this storage box, I could fit myself in here. This is a big box, and I love how it has these hinges. That has I don't know what to call them. I forgot the pneumatic, the like bicycle pump things. But like if you need to lift the lid, you lift the lid and it kind of pops open. And then it has this hinge here that when you close it, you can put a padlock or a lock in there, so you can lock everything in here away. This does come with everything you need to set up. I thought the setup process was pretty easy. It does take a while, but it's not a difficult thing at all. Just do it while you watch TV. That's another nice thing about it. It's lightweight. I set it up inside and then I just brought it out here to use. The top of this has a lip that goes above everything, so you don't have to worry at all about water getting inside. Water can go on top, that's fine. Everything's gonna just drip off the sides. This was sent to me so I could make this video, set it up, and try it out. I've actually been wanting something like this for a while because I do have a lot of random stuff outside that I just want to keep dry, and that's essentially all this does. It keeps things together. It's a nice big box, keeps things dry, easy to set up, works great.